Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for coming to my Patreon party. I'm so happy you're all here, and I see everyone just hopping on already. So, thank you so much. Thanks for people who are hopping on at their lunch break here in the States and over the pond. Thank you to everyone who are just finishing work now, hopefully, and just hopping on here celebrating my Patreon page launch. Thank you so much to the people who have signed up already, and we're going to be doing a shout out to you all very, very shortly. But I wanted to start off with a tune. So this is a bit different. I have the viola in my hand, and everybody loves the viola. They love it when I play the viola, and also they love it when I do some covers. So, of course, the amazing Netflix series Queen Charlotte. So I'm going to give that a go on the viola. I hope you like it. Mwah. So great to see you all here. I'm going to just go over to comments and see. Oh, hi, everybody. Hi, Corey. Hi, hi, Sinead. How are you? Tim, Corey, Sinead O'Riada, Sinead O'Riada, Corey Fatas. And oh my gosh, there's so many. Thank you so much for being here, guys and girls and everybody. So I just want to say thank you so very much for everybody who has signed up already to my Patreon. And I suppose I should have done this earlier, but I'm a bit late to the party. But anyone who knows me really, really well knows that I'm late for everything except flights and concerts. So so I'm just so happy to really come on Patreon at last and connect exclusively and really personally with you all, because that's what it's all about. I'm going to put down the viola here, and I'm just going to explain to you what's in the different tiers. So I kept it simple. So we've 3 tiers, and the first tier is early concert access tickets, the introduction to my amazing mother, Kathleen Nesbitt's violin tutor, the introduction to that, the Nesbitt Family Bundle CD and DVD bundle to people who subscribe for a year, and you get 10% off that whole year as well. And I'm just so excited about that. Thank you so much. And I'll be sending, it's personalized by me, of course, and concierge by me. So I take care of everything to make sure that everything is perfect. And also, let's see, what else is there? Exclusive access, of course, to posts, photos, and behind the scenes. Very important. And I have to explain that this content won't be seen anywhere else. And it won't be on any other platform, except for Throwback Thursdays. Maybe we might just touch a bit off that. But a lot of it, even from exclusive places like Carnegie Hall, behind the scenes there, where you really can't put anything up from there. Venues like that, it'll be great to see behind the scenes here, and it'll just be fun, And let's see. Then, very important, I got my Máiréad Mondays Chats, Tunes and Crack podcast remastered, especially for Patreon. So that is in the tier T1. That is tier 1 as well. So you get all that podcast, and it's remastered for Patreon. So tier 2 is all what Tier 1 has, and it has full access to the fiddle tutorial by my mother, Kathleen Nesbitt, to the videos there from the beginning of the book to the end of the book. So that'll be amazing. And also, I've done a new thing. I've done storybooks. So I am doing a whole series on Bráinne Whale, the Pirate Queen, at the moment. And some of you will have got it already, the first chapter and the introduction and the first chapter there, and also the introduction to my mother's book. You'll have got that already, the early people, the early birds. So I'm really excited about that because I put a lot of work into the stories, and I love speaking, and I love, even though I get a bit nervous, but you know, it's fine. But I love just telling people stories, and people know that from my Celtic Spells on Máiréad Mondays, if you remember. So there is a lot of that, a lot of beautiful stories, and very relaxing. I've been using them myself to go to sleep to. So I just find that really, really relaxing. And let's see, there are lots of things coming on. There are Zoom chats. That's really important. So there's monthly Zoom chats with Patreon members and myself every month. So that's going to be really great because I get to connect with you personally and exclusively and just chat. And we can all get to know each other. Really, this is about building a community. And you'll see the name of my Patreon is Creating Celtic Other Worlds. And it's a Celtic community, and everybody can come together there and just, I don't know, just relay their memories, their stories. Maybe they have some stories from their ancestors and different things. And we can talk about that there. So I'm really looking forward to the monthly chats. And then, of course, with the people who sign for the whole year, you get the Hibernia exclusive box or bundle. And in these bundles, you won't get merchandise. There's some merchandise included in there that is really exclusive, and you can't get it even on my website. So, so I'm excited about that for you all. And so, Tier 3, you get everything in Tier 1 and Tier 2, and Tier 3, there's a 10% discount from my website. You get a 10% discount from that. And there's one 15-minute chat, one-to-one, meet and greet with me. There's exclusive content that maybe aren't in the other tiers. You also get your birthday card sent to you from me, and I'm looking forward to that. So looking forward to getting your birthdays there. And then you get a really, really nice Celtic Spells personalized and concierge bundle, and direct messaging with me on Patreon as well. So that's Tier 3. So I'm so glad. Thank you so much for everyone who's coming in. And I would love to talk a little bit about Celtic Spells. So thank you so much for the great response to my new album, Celtic Spells. I'm really, really happy with it. You know, that was done during COVID, during the pandemic, and it was just amazing to do it, and amazing to work with Neil Grover and my brother Carl Nesbitt, and the amazing orchestrator and arranger as well, Pater Townsend. And we got to do this beautiful project together. So I'm going to play a bit from that. And I would love to play a tune for you now. Let's try a tune on the fiddle. And I'm going to play a tune from Celtic Spells. And I hope you love this. It's a beautiful, beautiful tune. It's called Tour Them the Love. Give Me Your Hand. And it's from Celtic Spells. I hope you like it. Pour Them the Love. I just love that tune. It's so beautiful. It's a really, really popular Irish tune, Irish traditional tune. And everybody from Chris Thiele to, oh my God, everyone, the Chieftains to, so many people have recorded that tune. And I just want to say also the news this week of the passing of Sean Keane, an iconic fiddle player and a very dear friend of my parents, my mum and dad. I'm so sorry to hear about Sean and what a legacy he has left behind. Look Sean up on YouTube, Sean Keane. Most amazing fiddle player, inspired so many people, including myself. And I just want to talk about my mother's violin tutor again. So hopefully, oh, look at all these comments. Hi, Shilty, beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. So, oh my goodness, thank you so much, everybody. It's so great to see you all here. And this violin tutor has been invaluable to me and invaluable to all my students, and I know to a lot of teachers out there. And it's by Kathleen Nesbitt, my mother. And I have to say, ma'am, I don't know if you're watching, but hopefully you'll see this later. Thank you so much for my top. It's beautiful. Thank you. It was a birthday present from my mother, and I love it. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. And I'll see you soon. I miss you and I love you, and I'll see you really soon in Ireland. And I just love this book. I have to just go here to just pick it up, and you'll see it. It's on my website, and it's called Fiddle, and that is the Irish word for fiddle. And it just goes from the very beginning to the very end, and it is the most amazing tutorial and accompanying CD as well. It goes literally from the beginning to advanced, and I will be doing the whole book on the actual Patreon, so as my educational component. And I'm going to convince Mam to come on it as well. Hopefully she will. We'll see. And so, you know, I think let's do another tune. And oh my goodness, I love your music and performances. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. One of my favorites. Hi, Lisa. Lisa, hi. Lisa's one of my students, Lisa Bybee, and she's one of my students, and she's amazing. Lisa, thank you so much for being here. And so, oh, there's so many. Thank you so much, guys. I think we will go into, yeah, this is a great one. This is from Celtic Spells, and it's called The Glen Cottage and the polka. And it is really amazing tune. And we loved playing it on Celtic Spells, and we toured Celtic Spells on the West Coast. I don't know if anyone saw us there. Put up a comment if you did. And so we did a lovely tour of the West Coast, and standing ovations. Yay. That was really great. Thank you so much. And let's play these polkas. I'll just grab my fiddle here, and let's hope it's in tune after, like, it's quite warm here. You know, is it warm where you guys are? It's great to get the warm weather, though. Really great. So here we go. Here is The Glen Cottage. Yay, they're great to dance to, aren't they? Gets you going. I'm warmed up now. So, oh my goodness, we're working on dates in 2024. Neil Grover, you've hopped on. Thank you so much. Neil is amazing. He helps me and he's my manager and he's amazing. And we are working on dates for 2024, especially for March. So that's a really hot month for Irish music, as you all know, because of St. Patrick's Day and St. Patrick's Month. So keep an eye out for Celtic Spells. Also, follow Celtic Spells on Instagram at Celtic Spells. Do follow us on Instagram. And we are on all platforms. The whole album is on all platforms. So you hop on to your favorite platform and download that album because you won't be sorry. It's a really, really great album, even if I say so myself, and I don't mean just me or even me. I mean everyone else on the album, just amazing, amazing performances, beautiful, beautiful. And a big shout out to my brother Carl Nesbitt, who literally did all the extra instruments on Celtic Spells. It was just amazing. And Pater Townsend, wow, the orchestrations are incredible. The singers, Ryan Murray and John McAndrew. And Ryan is local to Boston, and John McAndrew lives in Nashville. So he is amazing. It's so beautiful. And so it's on all platforms, everyone. So amazing. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi, Mike Brown. You're here. Hi, Mike. Wow, you got on. My goodness. You must be on your lunch break, are you? Thank you so much for being one of, actually, thank you so much for being the first Patreon member. Thank you so much, Mike. You're amazing. Thank you so much. And Bobby as well, Bobby and Aaron, Bobby Miguel and Aaron. Thank you so much because you were the second. So I'm so happy about that. Thank you so much. So can you please play Danny Boy? Oh, okay. I will. I'll play Danny Boy. I'll play it now. Let's see. Let's play a little bit of Danny Boy for you. Of course I will. It's such a beautiful air. I love Danny Boy. And actually, you'll be glad to know Danny Boy is on Celtic Spells. So download it on Celtic Spells on Spotify and all the different platforms. It's actually, the CD is available on Amazon. And to all you US people, in Target. It's in Target as well, which is amazing. So go online to Target and order it, and but it's on all the digital platforms. So here's a little bit of Danny Boy for you. Okay, hopefully I'll pick a right key. Okay. is especially for you that what's the word I'm looking for? Request. So there you are. I hope you liked that. And thank you. Thank you, Shilji. Gorgeous. Thank you so much. So, any questions or any comments about my Patreon so far, don't forget to put in the comments and we'll answer them. And, you know, we're just so happy that I'm actually going to personally and exclusively connect properly with my family. Everybody knows I love my family and they mean the world to me. They really do. And I just want, you know, to do a great job and connect with you all and give you content that is really, really good and really fun. That's what it's all about, and connecting and everything. So I'm hopefully going to see a lot of you on Patreon, and my link will go up in the comments as well. And so I know that people are kind of, it's nearly, God, lunch break is nearly up, but I'm going to play a few more tunes. So let's go back in here. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh, you know, I think somebody said they wanted to hear There Is No Night. So I will play There Is No Night, and hope you love that, from Hibernia. it's so great to see you all from all corners of the world. It's so great. Thank you so much. And oh my goodness, I just want to say a big shout out to, oh my gosh, a dear friend of mine as well, Tiffany Moore. And she signed on here as Tiffany Lauren. And Tiffany Moore is on her way to the Midwest Fair today, and in St. Louis, and it's going to be just a great weekend. It starts tomorrow, and it is the like a provincial flat, and the first and second places go towards the All Ireland. So woo! I wish Tiffany all the very best. Safe travels, careful, safe travels, and love you very much. And I know you'll have such a great time. And Tiffany is playing in the fast tunes and the slow airs, so I know she's going to do really well. So thanks so much, Tiffany. Mwah! Loads of love. And I have to say, Tiffany has been a huge help to me with my social media. Go and look her up. She is amazing. She specializes in social media and business, and look her up on Instagram, Tiffany Moore Violinist, and Tiffany Moore Violin. That's her handle. Anyway, so I just want to say thank you so much, everyone, for, oh my goodness, all the beautiful comments. We will put the links, I mean, I think they're up there anyway in the comments for my Patreon page, which will have so much exclusive footage. So I'll just play some more music, because that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. So let's see. I'm wondering, somebody asked for Game of Thrones. Okay. I'll try it on viola. All right. So I remember, you know, like I'm just a huge fan of Netflix, of course, like us all. And they have the most amazing shows, and the big hot one at the moment, of course, is Queen Charlotte, which I played at the very beginning of the stream. And this was a big hot series, Game of Thrones, shot in Ireland, and just the scenery in that, and the actors, the cast, absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoy this. This is fun. I'm going to try it on viola. Okay. Love Game of Thrones. Love that. So I know I said I'd only kind of stay on for the hour, so I don't want to keep anyone, kind of from their work. But let's see. Oh, hi everyone. David Donaldson. Hi. Did you like that on viola? You're a viola player, and I love it. David plays viola, and he learns viola. Like, has a few lessons with me. And Shilji says hi, Tiffany. Tiffany says hi, Mike Brown. See, this is what I love. This is a community here, and my idol Máiréad. Oh my gosh, thank you, John. And let's see. I'm kind of squinting here because need the old glasses. Beautiful. Thank you so much. And Lisa, so great to see you all. So great to see you all. And so I'm gonna play another tune from, let's see, from Celtic Spells. And these are reels. These are great reels. Now, they're very fast. Don't know what I was thinking of. But, and we had a great time playing these on the West Coast. And with the brilliant Cara Wildman on Byron. And then I just want to kind of, it was amazing. I had the most amazing time, the most amazing musicians. And just what a great community we had on the West Coast for Celtic Spells. So if you ever see Celtic Spells near you, do come, because you won't be sorry. It's really, really fun and a beautiful, beautiful story as well. And so, okay, Toss of Feathers. Actually, would you believe there are 3 Toss of Feathers reels, and they are in my mother's book, Fiddle by Kathleen Nesbitt, and they're on pages 129 and 130. And they're great fun, great fun, and I hope you like it. It's really, really great fun to play. Here we go. Oh my goodness, it's warm here. So, so the violin's kind of slipping from my jaw, backbone, but I hope you enjoyed that. Let's see. Oh, yay. Hi, everybody. Yes, it's all refreshing here. Oh, my goodness. Now, that's Irish. Yes, it is. Just joining sounds great. Hi, Ron. How's it going? How are you? I'm just talking about my Patreon page here. So hopefully I'll see you there. And we're having a great time with tunes here, and just a tunes party, Patreon party. And so I will just let's refresh on the tiers. So tier 1, there's early access tickets, the introduction to the violin tutorial for Kathleen Nesbitt's tutorial and CD, and an introduction to also my storybooks, which at the moment I'm reciting Pirate Queen, the true story of Granuaile. And then we have the remastered whole podcast of Máiréad Mondays, Chats, Tunes and Crack, and that is remastered podcast for Patreon, so that's in tier 1 as well. And also access to exclusive, of course, posts, photos, behind the scenes. That's a big one, the behind the scenes, which you never see, and you won't see it on any other platform. Tier 2 then has everything that tier 1 has, and it has full access. As well as that, it has full access to the Violin Tutor by Kathleen Nesbitt, the storybooks, and what else have we? We have a lot. Oh, we have the Zoom chats with Patreon members, and myself every month, and exclusive content that you won't get anywhere else. Also, you'll get the Hibernia bundle with merch that you won't get anywhere else, even on my website, for tier 2. And in tier 1, actually, there's the Nesbitt CD and DVD bundle as well, with some merch included that you won't get on my website as well. And then on tier 3, we have the 10% discount for my website, 1 15-minute meet and greet with me, exclusive content, of course, a birthday card from myself, from wherever I am in the world, and personalized exclusive Celtic Spells bundle with merch that you won't get anywhere else, and direct message with me on Patreon. So it's simple, 1, 2, and 3. So I hope there's something there for everyone. And basically the whole point is building a Celtic community, and I've called it Creating Celtic Other Worlds. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all there. And I've responded to the people who are there already. So I'm really, really happy to meet you all. And that's what it's about, to get a proper connection. And I'd love to play a few more tunes. Why not? Yeah, I know it's nearly coming up to that time, isn't it? But this is 2 more tunes. I think, from Celtic Spells. And this is called The Wedding. It's really, really great. They're great tunes, great to dance to. I hope you love it. Oh, I'm seeing all these really funny comments. I'm going to read all these afterwards. These are great. These are so great. Thank you so much. And so I know we're coming to the end, and I just want to thank you all out there for really kind of coming on here and spending your time with me on the Facebook Live. It's not I know it's not an easy time of the day. It was people's lunchtime and they're wrapping up work and everything, but thank you so much for being with me, and take a look at my Patreon page, and can't wait to see you there. And I'm going to play one more tune and let you get back to what you're doing. So here we go. This is a great tune. This is the theme music for an amazing show on Showtime called City on a Hill, and it stars Kevin Bacon, and it's amazing. I love it. I love this reel, Man of the House, and this went down really amazingly in on the tour, and it's just, I love playing it. It's great fun, and I hope you like it too. Here we go. I love this intro as well Yay! I'm so glad to see you all. Thank you so much for being on my live stream. I'll see you over on my Patreon page, and just have the most brilliant weekend. Happy US Mother's Day, by the way. I've been enjoying doing the Mother's Day cameos from my website, so that's been amazing. So happy Mother's Day for this weekend, this Sunday, and have a great weekend, everyone. Mwah. Have a great weekend.